Take a look at this Chrysler luxury vehicle from the 60s. It's a 1968 Chrysler Imperial Crown 4-door hardtop. Sovereign gold metallic, green vinyl top, green interior, the way it was produced back in 1968. Look at this grille, chrome in the bumper, Imperial logo in the center. Then of course underneath the hood, 440 V8, 350 horsepower, 480 pound-feet of torque to move this beauty. And that of course is paired up with a TorqueFlite automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. I have had the AC compressor kick on and off. Looks like it's still on the R12, maybe needs a little TLC as far as blowing cold. And look at how straight these panels are. And also notice how long those panels are. If you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Very close to 100 pictures of this car online. Of course, the 4-door hardtop, as you can see, no pillar between the front and rear side windows. Just the trim pieces that will lower. Let you get a look from the rear to the front of this. How cool is that? Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. Definitely do not see a lot of these out on the road. There will also be a car cover that will come with it. Put that back in the trunk. And there is some of the weather stripping that will also go with it. I'll put those in the trunk so that they will end up with the next owner of this beauty. Take a look at the rear. You can open the trunk. Straight edge screwdriver will pop that open easily enough. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rear chrome. See the rear bumper shows its age a little bit, a couple spots. This one over here too. Overall paint shows well on it, a few touch-up spots. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see from the rear to the front, again, those long body panels, but nice and straight. Mentioned little touch-up spots. There's one like right here. You can see that. There's one on the hood. I'll show you in a bit. Looks like we had just a little bit of a scuff back here and kind of the trim piece missing right there. Interior. And if you look at any of the Chrysler brochures from back in '68 on the Imperial Crowns, looks like this is the original fabric that it would have came with. Nice, that door closes and sounds. Same thing here. It's like the original seat. There's some wear here in the backrest. Of course, a 6-passenger sedan with the size of this vehicle. Power windows here, of course. We're going to fire it up so you can hear it run. I want you to listen to this. All right. Again, 440 underneath the hood. This one had the tilt-a-scope option. So this is a tilt column and then also telescopic wheel. Tilt-a-scope option it was called. They also had an autopilot, which is basically their version of a cruise control. Have had the wipers working. The radio, you say, where is it? Right here. Have had the radio working also. And take a look at this dash. Not cracked or sun-baked, checked, anything like that. That's a nice shape. Very stock looking interior. Doesn't look like much has changed on the inside from when this was produced back in 1968. slip to the back seat here. Let's run. Slip up to the front. Let me pop this hood. We'll take a look at the engine bay and wrap this video up. Underside of the hood. There it is. 440 V8, again, power steering, power brakes. You can see the AC components all appear to be there, and I have that clutch is free. It will kick on and off. Smooth runner. Some cool classic luxury from the 60s, 1968 Chrysler Imperial Crown 4-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1968 Chrysler Imperial Crown. As you can see, there is some snow on the ground in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This car has a cover right here to access the radio.
Simulator experience featuring the best simulator software.
Has FM radio, works well. Nice little decorative cover. I like those touches from the fancier cars. The gauges, the alternator shows charging. The oil pressure shows just under half of the gauge. Temperature is still showing cold. That may not work. And the gasoline is showing empty, which could be accurate. Our blinker indicators work. Let's see how she does on the highway. Smooth ride. Goes straight down the road. Might be a little vibration from one of the tires. It's very subtle and not bad. Our wipers are working. It's one of those loaded luxury cars from 1968. Comfortable seating. Check this car out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Runs good, it's quiet.